Hello everyone and welcome back to Palia. So Tamala told us that she had a cough and she needed some spice sprouts.
What a pleasant
So
surprise.
we are bringing them to her. Spice sprouts, thank the dragon. This is just what the healer ordered. However, can I repay you? I have a couple of ideas, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. Well, you get straight to the point, don't you? Here are a few coins for your trouble. And that completes the quest, a little cough. It's always nice to keep a couple of sprouts around just for things like that. Nice, we got the inky dragonfly, which is for the Night Sky Temple in Kilima. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give us a like and subscribe if you want to see more.